Hey everyone, Sheila here from Rockton Connect. Today, we're going to show our new hire Lisa how easy it is to find things in Acumatica. Lisa is a new customer account manager, and it's her job to manage the relationship with her customers. Before she makes a call to a customer, she needs to know if they are in good standing with no past due invoices. She also checks to see if they have any recent support cases and if any cases are still open. Lisa needs to reach out to USA Bartending School. Using the Receivables Workgroup, Lisa can navigate to the Invoices and Memos inquiry to view all invoices and memos for customers. To search for a specific customer, simply start typing in the search field. Acumatica uses a contain statement to quickly filter information. As Lisa starts typing BAR, notice that it starts filtering automatically, showing customers that contain those values. The more information Lisa types, the more the records are filtered, and it is searching for that value in multiple columns, such as the customer name, the description, and so on. Lisa can also use the Open filter, and the same search is now filtering on open transactions. Now Lisa can see that there are a few open invoices for USA Bartending. Next, Lisa wants to look for open support cases. Using the Support Workgroup, navigate to Cases. Use the search field to enter BART, and she can now see that there is one open case with a shipping issue. Keep in mind the search functionality works the same between all the different workgroups and modules and the lookups. There is also a universal search. If Lisa isn't sure where to find the receivables invoice transactions, she can type in what she may be looking for in the universal search box, such as invoice. The system will look at menu items that contain that value, and she can quickly access transactions this way. It also teaches her where it resides. The universal search also searches for other types of information, and it's grouped together. If Lisa enters BART, she can see transactions that contain that value. If Lisa moves to Help Topics, that information is filtered by what she's searching for. Acumatica even searches for files you may have attached to records, such as a contract that was added to the USA Bartending account. Not only does the universal search quickly give Lisa navigation to forms and inquiries she has security to, you can see that it's a great way to search for all types of information in the system.